All right, we saw about 6 to 8 inches of snow at Mount Laguna and Palomar Mountain. You can see it is a winter wonderland there, and we're going to see a lot more snow as we head into tonight. Downtown looking pretty and mostly dry right now. So I was showing you some of the snowfall totals that we've seen already, and the rainfall totals just continue to be even more impressive. Downtown nearly 2.5 inches now, near 3 in Santee, near 4 in Oceanside, over 4 inches in the Fallbrook area. San Onofre, though, over 7.5 inches of rainfall. Just a few isolated showers right now, but as I zoom out, you can see that's kind of all we've been seeing across all of Southern California. But another storm system is making its way here. This is going to be one of the last ones, though. There's the center of it. You can see all of the heavy rain out ahead of it. This storm is going to be a quick moving one, and most of the rain is going to be coming through and snow in the overnight hours tonight. So temperatures are on the chilly side. We're in the 50s for most of the county. National City, one of the warmer spots at 60. Mount Laguna, Palomar, we're freezing, and Julian also pretty close to freezing. We're easily going to see those snow levels drop again tonight, potentially again as low as 3,500 feet overnight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's going to be another cold one in the mountains. We're going to be in the 30s, get used to the 50s for a couple more days at least for the inland and coastal communities. All right, so heading into tonight, we're going to see the rain become widespread once again. But again, it is also going to be a lot faster moving than those storms that have brought so much flooding the last couple of weeks. So by 10, 11 o'clock, that rain begins in the North County and it quickly spreads south. By 1 a.m., it's already moving into the East County. And as we head into tomorrow morning, we'll see some scattered showers for the morning commute, but the brunt of it will already be out of here. And then very similar to today, we'll see isolated to scattered showers as we head through the rest of the day, 12:30 in the afternoon, a few showers still lingering. That continues through Friday. A very weak disturbance is going to come through as we head into Friday morning. So another round of kind of scattered showers, but this one much weaker. Then once that finally passes, we're going to be drying out. So Saturday, we finally start to see some sunshine and drier weather rolling in, and we stay dry for a while. All right, so snow levels tonight through Friday, in fact, are going to be between about 3,500 feet and 4,500 feet. The lowest snow levels are actually going to be corresponding when the brunt of the moisture comes through in the overnight hours. So that does mean areas like Julian, maybe in some of those low elevations like Descanso and Pine Valley getting more snow overnight, waking up to it tomorrow morning. Above 5,000 feet, so Mount Laguna, Palomar, Lookout Mountain, we're looking at 8 to 10 inches, and Mount Laguna's already seen 8 inches, locally up to 14 inches, and above 4,000 feet, which includes Julian, 3 to 8 inches. So if you can avoid traveling through the mountains, I would highly suggest that. If you are going to be going there, bring your chains, and if you're going to visit this weekend, bring a trash bag with you and pack up your trash and bring it home with you. There's just not enough receptacles up there. They're not used to the flood of people that come up to see the snow, and you know there's going to be a lot of them this weekend. So leave the mountains as beautiful as you found them. So some isolated showers on Friday, then we finally dry out and we warm back into the mid-60s. And next week for the coastal areas, while inland neighborhoods, we're warming up by about 15 degrees. 50s for a couple more days, 60s this weekend, and closer to 70 degrees next week. For our mountain areas, it's going to be pretty much freezing the next couple of days. We're going to see highs only in the 30s, overnight temperatures in the 30s and 20s. Next week, though, the nights remain cold, but we're going to see temperatures in the afternoon warming into the 50s. The desert and the mountain areas, remember, it's going to be pretty gusty as we head into tomorrow. The desert's 70s by Valentine's Day.